Hi, welcome to Sue Marie P. My name's Sue and I love sharing quick and easy dinner and lunch ideas as well as some tasty baking treats. So today it's almost lunchtime and I'm starving and I have a craving for Mexican. So I made this last week and it was absolutely delicious, ready in 15 minutes. So I'm going to share with you my Mexican stir fry. Come with me and let's see. So I grabbed everything I had in my fridge that I have for this recipe. So it's just things that you've got on hand. It's super quick and easy. If you want to jump over back to my website, that's where I have all my recipes. I've got the detailed list of what's in the recipe at suemariep.com. I'm also on Instagram at suemariep.com at suemariep if you'd like to follow me on Instagram as well. So I've got my pan heating up here, my fry pan, and I've got some oil that I'm just going to throw in, just about a tablespoonful. And I've got 2 red onions that I've sliced. I found on YouTube the other day that if you slice onions lengthways, they're not as strong as if you cut them and chop them. So I've been doing that quite a lot now. So I'm going to throw the garlic in. Actually, I'll fry the onions first, just for a few minutes to get soft, and then I'll add the garlic. I don't know if you've noticed, sometimes when you put the garlic in too early, it browns too quickly, and that's not good. So if you're new here today, thank you for tuning in, or thank you for clicking on my channel. And if you consider subscribing, you just need to hit the subscribe button. And a big thank you to all my current subscribers for watching me and supporting me. This year we've been trying to eat more veggies, and so I'm trying to make up some new quick recipes just with vegetables. That's it. Okay, we can throw the chopped up garlic in. That's just one really big clove. I'm going to add some spices. So I love paprika, if I can get my tin open. So I'm just adding 2 heaped teaspoons, and this is a fajito and taco mix, Mexican spices. So I'm just throwing in 2 of those. I've diced up a yellow pepper, but you can use red pepper, green pepper, whatever you've got. Okay, I'm going to toss in, I've got 1 chopped zucchini or courgette. Again, I've chopped that really finely, so we'll fry that for a few minutes. You could also add mushrooms or any other vegetables. Okay, now I've got a tin of chopped tomatoes. This is my favourite brand, Muti. That's just 1 whole tin. I love lentils, so I've got 1 tin of green lentils that I've already rinsed and drained. So I'll pop those in. And today I'm using large butter beans, but last week when I did it, I used black beans, but I've run out of them. So any kind of beans would work, just 1 tin rinsed and drained. If you don't like beans or lentils, swap out them and add in some chicken or meat, any other meat that you like. So I think that looks like it needs a little bit more liquid. I'm just going to add some water to this tin, maybe half a cup or half a tin. I'll just grab some water. So just add maybe a quarter of that to start with. So I'm going to let that simmer with the lid on, roughly about 5 to 10 minutes. And while that's simmering, I'm going to start fixing up the platter. So let me just clear this. So I've already started setting it up. I've got some grated cheese here and some salsa and some jalapeños. I don't like them. They're a bit spicy for me, but my husband likes them. Some baby spinach. So I'm just washed that. So I'm going to toss that here on the platter as well. I'm going to throw in some sliced cucumbers, and I'm popping some lemon just on the platter to squeeze onto the salad. As I said before, I'm just using what's in my fridge. And then I've got this packet of corn chips, lechito, gran lechito tortilla chips. They're amazing. Because I'm going to pretend we're having kind of like nachos with my stir fry, I've got the corn chips. And that'll be lunch for 2. Let's have a look at this. I reckon that's done. I'm going to turn that off. How good does that look? All the delicious colours and the beans. And then we've got our platter over here, all set ready to go. Okay, that was super quick. It's already finished. That's my Mexican stir fry, and I've turned it into a deconstructed taco platter. So if you've liked my Mexican stir fry, let me know. And I hope you've enjoyed this Mexican quick lunch idea. And I'll see you next time. It's getting heavy. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you've liked my video today, share it with a friend, hit the like button, the thumbs up, write a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And don't forget, hit the bell, and then you get notified as soon as I have a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.